Welcome to another tutorial on my channel, and today we'll look at how you can make your computer discoverable to other computers on the network, or you want to access another computer on the same network at home connected to the router. So in order to do this, first of all, you have to make sure your computer is discoverable so that other computers can see it and you can then communicate between the computers over the network. To get started, the first thing that you do is you click on the File Explorer folder that's located right on your taskbar. So you click on it and this will bring up the File Explorer. In the File Explorer, if you scroll down, you'll be able to find Network. You click on Network. It will give you an error if you've turned off the discovery. So you need to turn it on. So you first of all click OK. Then you click on by turning this option and you say, okay, turn on network discovery and file sharing. So you click on that and then you can choose an option. Yes, turn on network discovery and file sharing for all public networks, or no, make the network that I'm connecting to a private network. So you have an option of choosing whichever of the two options you want. So if I choose this option, then it allows me to see the other computers connected to my private network, and I can double click to open one of these computers. For example, if I double click on this one, that will allow me to connect to that computer, and it will ask me for a username and a password of that computer. This is a layer of authentication. So as I provide the username and a password of that computer and click OK, then I can remote into that computer in terms of being able to see the files and everything. So as I log into the computer that I selected, now I can go under users. Then I can look at the stuff. I can print stuff, go under documents and stuff like that. So that's how you make your computer discoverable, and that's how you can connect with other computers on the network. Hope you would have enjoyed this tutorial. Catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.